training.
Okay.
Come on. Yeah, let's go in the jungle. Let's go. You leaving? I'm gonna break your car.
Why are you going that way? That's the better way.
I thought you were gonna go in that way.
Oh, I don't have on sneakers.
What you saw?
Be careful, we don't step on snakes or nothing.
I have a weapon.
You're gonna go that way?
Yeah.
Okay,
And
go.
we'll check out our neighbor's house.
All right, go.
Let's go. Let's go check out our neighbor's house. But, Mommy. Mommy! Mommy, but don't tell Daddy our
What is
secret.
this?
Mommy. Don't tell Daddy our secret that we hiding on. Mommy, baby, stop.
Go this way, go that way.
Come here.
Go that way.
Come here more. To protect us.
All right.
Have that weapon, please?
Go this way.
I got this.
Go that way.
Follow us. Mama.
Okay.
Snake. Here, Mom. Grab this.
Uh-oh.
Mommy. Grab this to protect us.
All right, go.
I want to
Go.
has a weapon.
All right, keep
We're
going.
not Daddy. Can have a snake weapon too. Look what I saw, guys. Look.
What?
Look. You see that white thing? Mommy, we got things to protect us. Remember?
Yeah.
We're locked down. We almost to our neighbor's house. Take our film.
We got cactus.
We in the dirt.
Uh-oh. Stand up.
We're way far from home.
All right, let's turn around now.
Not yet. We're almost there.
Uh-oh, stand up.
Stand up. We're almost here. Oh, Mommy. We're almost here.
All right, turn around. Come on. Turn around now. Let's go.
It's muddy. Over there. This was the same spot we were. You guys, follow me on that map.
Oh, we gotta walk on this side.
Yeah, you guys follow me on that map. Let's follow me.
Come on, Mora. Come on, this way.
Guys, follow me on this map. How about we go that way? Because see the one map over there? Hey, we will lead you guys to it. Okay, Mora can't walk in here, okay? So much. Keep behind me. Go! Got the baby.
Oh my gosh, look at what these kids found. I don't know what animal is in this hole, and I don't want to find out. So I think we need to leave. That is a huge, huge hole. That's probably where the big turtle lives, you guys.
Yeah.
All right, let's turn around.
Packed a bunch of chips.
You packed the chips for the picnic?
Yeah.
Yeah.
But I have one last one.
All right. Now I'm gonna make the sandwiches now.
Okay.
Okay, tuna fish.
Mommy, I will keep Myrtle done waiting. Okay.
All right, go ahead.
I will keep them busy.
Okay, I'm gonna make them now. So my kids want to have a picnic.
You're done with the sandwiches?
Yep. We are going to eat tuna sandwich and chips.
Let's go.
They set the table up for us. You got to move it over. It's too in the sun. Move it over that way.
Okay.
Open it up. Taste it.
It tastes good.
It's
Not
good?
bad. Yeah. Not bad.
Mommy going to eat hers now too with you guys.
You want to taste it?
Taste what? Yeah, I want to taste my sandwich.
You like
Why,
it?
you want to taste mine?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Good. Hey, where's the picnic?
This is our first time having a picnic.
Yeah. But later. We're making a